What if I told you that the key to a successful real estate investment isn't just about location or price, but about asking the right questions? Sounds simple, right? But here's the truth. The investors who ask the right questions up front avoid costly surprises and set themselves up for long-term success. In today's video, we're diving into the must-ask questions every real estate investor should discuss with their agent before making a move. If you're serious about making smart, profitable investments, stick around. This one's for you. Why is the owner selling? All right, first up, why is the owner selling? Now, this might seem like small talk, but it's actually one of the most revealing questions you can ask. Sometimes people sell for neutral reasons, like upgrading or relocating, but other times there could be hidden issues, major repairs, declining neighborhood appeal, or unexpected financial burdens. Here's what you need to watch for. Frequent ownership changes, or an owner selling soon after buying. These are red flags that could mean costly problems like a bad foundation, expensive repairs, or even zoning restrictions. The goal? Get the full picture before you commit. What is the neighborhood and building vacancy rate? Next, let's talk about vacancy rates. If you're investing in a rental property, you need to know how often units sit empty. A high vacancy rate might signal a weak rental market or overpriced units. On the flip side, a low vacancy rate tells you there's a steady demand, which is exactly what you want. If you're looking at a multifamily property, remember empty units still cost you in maintenance and utilities. For single-family homes, neighborhood trends will give you insight into whether it's a good long-term investment. Always ask your agent for rental comps and market data to stay ahead of the game. How transitory is the neighborhood? Now, let's talk about turnover. High tenant turnover means there might be some more marketing costs, maintenance, and vacancy gaps, things that eat into your profits. And these things are fine as long as you are accounting for them in the beginning. And here's where strategy comes in. Are you catering to people looking for long-term housing or others who move frequently? Short-term rentals like Airbnbs thrive on turnover, while long-term rentals benefit from stability. Understanding the neighborhood's demographics helps you plan ahead to avoid these unexpected losses. What's the property's tax bill and will it change? Property taxes can make or break your bottom line, and here's why. You might buy a property thinking the taxes are affordable, only to get hit with an increase after the sale. If you're buying at a higher price than the current tax assessment, expect a jump from what you see on the appraisal district. Always check local tax laws and historical trends so you're not caught off guard. Your agent should be able to pull tax records and let you know what to expect. Which directions are mortgages and rents trending? Next, you need to look at the mortgage rates and rental trends. Why? Because both directly impact your ROI. If mortgage rates are climbing, locking in a good rate now could save you thousands. And if rents are rising, you could see strong cash flow over time. Use tools like rental comps to check similar properties in the area. Smart investors don't just look at today's numbers, they plan for tomorrow's growth. When were key components last replaced? Let's talk about big ticket items. Roof, furnace, AC, water heater. These aren't cheap to replace. And if they're on the last legs, you need to know that up front. Roofs can last 20 to 30 years, but HVAC systems maybe 10 to 15 years. Always ask for maintenance records and get an inspection before you buy. A little research now can save you thousands later. What risks am I taking on? Even the best investments come with some level of risk. That's why it's crucial to ask about potential zoning changes, environmental risks, or structural concerns. A property might look perfect on paper, but if there's a flood risk or pending zoning restrictions, you need to know. Your agent should help you identify any hidden risks so you're not walking into a money pit. So there you have it. 7 essential questions that every real estate investor should ask before making a purchase. Real estate investing isn't just about luck. It's about strategy. The more you know up front, the more confident you'll be in your decisions. If you're thinking about investing in Texas, let's talk. I'd love to help you find the right property and avoid costly mistakes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips. And as always, if you're buying, selling, or investing in Texas, Realty by Lexi has you covered. See you next time.